I've got something special for you guys today. Gamma and StyleCraft have brought something now to the market we haven't experienced before. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new StyleCraft Instinct Shaver. Now the pre-orders are open now. It's going to start shipping June 1st. What's so special about this metal Instinct Shaver? For starters, we all loved the Vector motor that the Instinct Clipper had, and the trimmer, but now they introduced the IN2 VECTOR motor to the shaver with an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute. Not to mention, this machine does have a heavy-duty, full metal body, and that dampens the noise and it helps absorb the vibration, so that way it's more of a comfortable feel in hand. Another thing that's exciting about this shaver, if you are somebody who enjoys using the USB-C cables, this is completely compatible with that. But one of the most exciting things about this machine is the fact that they now include a charging dock. Look at how well that fits, and we've been asking for them to bring this to the market for quite some time. So I'm super excited about that. So now let's take this machine over to the barbershop, and I'm gonna put this up against some of the most difficult, tough hair that I have in my clientele. Let's see how it fares. I really do enjoy how the Instinct has that button on the side now, rather than a switch or a lever that can be easily damaged over time or worn down. But you can see here, man, his hair looks really thick, and these, the day that I got them and I put them to use, I posted them on Instagram and I called them the one swipe wonders. You cannot fake this, guys. You can see the texture of his hair and how easily and effortlessly the Vector motor is cutting that hair down. Not to mention my client here, that he has notoriously thick hair that I have to shave it down with a blade even after passing over all of the hair with a standard foil shaver. Now during the testing phase of these shavers, I was bragging to my coworkers around me about how powerful the shaver was. So as an experiment, they asked me to compare to see how it shaves compared to a competitor's similarly priced shaver. Let's take a look. Now both are phenomenal quality clippers with their own features. However, I do want to point out how after the same amount of swipes that I did using the Instinct shaver, I did have a little bit of darkness that I had to go back over with our machine that we're demonstrating today. So if you want to be one of the first people on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok using this machine, I would highly encourage you to go to www.stylecraftus.com and use your discount code TITOCUTS to place your pre-order and be one of the first people to receive the StyleCraft Instinct Shaver. Thank you guys for watching this video.